Salom do'stlar, ushbu videomizda Essential birinchi kitobini davom etamiz va bugungi tekstimizni sarlavhasi The Farmer and the Cats. Fermer va mushuklar. Tayyor bo'lsangiz boshlaymiz. Arthur deylik. Arthur was a responsible farmer and Maria was a nice lady. Ya'ni o'sha Arthur juda ham mas'uliyatli fermer edi va Maria ham yaxshi xonim edi, yaxshi ayol edi. But they were poor. Ammo ular kambag'al edi. They owed the town lord money for their land. Ya'ni ular yeri uchun lorddan, ya'ni lord, boy odamdan pul olishibdi. O'sha shahar lordidan pul olishibdi qarzga. One summer their farm burned. Bir yozda deyapti, yozda ularning fermasi yonib ketibdi. One structure caught fire and most of the animals ran away. Ya'ni o'sha olov bo'lganda ko'p hayvonlar deyapti ketib qoldi, run away bo'ldi deyapti. Only the cats stayed. Faqatgina mushuklar qoldi. So Arthur and Maria had to bring in their crops without an animal's help. Shuning uchun ham ular ekinni deyapti hayvonlarning yordamisiz olib kelishi kerak edi deyapti. On a fall day the Lord demanded his money. Kuz kunlarida o'sha Lord ulardan pulini talab qildi. Arthur asked if the Lord could wait until he brought in his crops. Ya'ni o'sha Arthur o'sha Lorddan ekinlarini olib kelgunicha kutib tura olishini so'radi. The Lord was angry, he raised his hands high and yelled. Ya'ni Lordning jahli chiqdi va qo'lini ko'targan holda gapirdi. Pay me by the end of the week. If you don't, I will increase the money you have to pay. Ya'ni haftaning oxirigacha menga to'la pulni yoki bo'lmasa men sen to'lashing kerak bo'lgan pulni ko'taraman, ya'ni foizini oshiraman dedi. I might put you in a jail cell. Ya'ni men seni zindonga tashlashim mumkin agar to'lamasang degan ma'noda kelyapti. So Arthur and Maria worked until there was blood on their hands. Shuning uchun ham Arthur bilan Maria qo'llarini qoni chiqquncha, qo'llari qonaguncha ishlashdi. They finished 4 lines of corn and went to bed. Ya'ni ular 4 ta chiziq, yerga nisbatan agat deylarmidi? O'sha 4 ta agatni olib bo'lib, qatorni olib bo'lib, o'sha jo'xorilarni yotgani ketishdi. But the next morning 8 lines were finished. Ammo ertasi kuni tongda, kelasi tongda deyapti, 8 ta qator tugatilgan edi. Maria didn't we stop in this spot here? Arthur asked. Ya'ni biza Maria biza mana bu joyda to'xtamaganmidik deb Arthur so'radi. Yes, that's correct. And the tools were in a different position too. Ha, to'g'ri. Va yana asboblar ham, ya'ni lapatka bellar ham turlicha joyda, boshqa joyda, biza qo'ygan joyimizda emas deyapti. Maria said. Maria shunaqa dedi. They were surprised and happy. Ular hayratlanishdi va xursand edilar. That day they worked hard and finished 5 lines. O'sha kuni ular juda ham qattiq ishlashdi va 5 ta qatorni tugatishdi. But in the morning 10 lines were done. Ammo ertasi kuni ertalab 10 ta qator tugatilgan edi. Each day they did a lot of work. Each night someone else did an equal amount of work. Har kuni kunduz kuni ular juda ham ko'p ishlashdi va tunda esa ular bilan baravar miqdorda kimdir ham ishlardi. In a week the whole field was finished. Ya'ni bir hafta ichida to'liq dala tugatildi deyapti. Tomorrow I will sell the crops and pay the Lord. Ya'ni ertaga men hosilni sotaman va Lordga pulini to'layman, Lordga to'layman deyapti. Arthur said. Arthur shunaqa dedi. But that morning the crops were gone. Ammo o'sha kuni tongda hosillar ketgan edi, yo'qolgan edi. A bag was in the middle of the field. Sumka dalani o'rtasida yotgan edi. It contained money. Ya'ni u o'sha pul bor edi ichida pul bor edi. Hop. Mana mushukchada, mushukcha ishlagan bo'lar. Maria, let's see who has helped us work. Maria, davay bizga kim yordamlashganini ko'ramiz. Through a hole in the wall, they saw a funny sight. Devorni teshigidan ular bir ajoyib manzaraga, ko'rinishga ko'rishdi. Kulgili ko'rinishni deylik. The cats were dancing in the field and eating corn. Ya'ni mushuklar raqsga tushayotgan edi va dalada raqsga tushayotgan edi va o'sha corndan, ya'ni jo'xoridan yeyotgan edi. Now Arthur knew what had happened. Endi Arthur nima ro'y berganini, nima sodir bo'lganini bilar edi. The cats had worked at night. Ya'ni mushuklar tunda ishlashgan edi. After that, Arthur was very nice to his cats and fed them lots of corn. Ya'ni o'shandan so'ng Arthur mushuklari bilan yaxshi munosabatda bo'ldi va ularni ko'pgina jo'xori bilan taomlar berdi. Ya'ni ovqatlantirdi deydik-ku. O'shanda. Bugungi tekstimizda shundan iborat edi. Agar videomiz foydali bo'lgan bo'lsa, like bosishni unutmang. Va Essentialni qolgan darslarni ko'rish uchun ushbu kanalga obuna bo'ling. Bizning asosiy kanalimiz esa English Max. Obuna bo'lib qo'ysangiz o'zingizga foyda. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. Xayr, salomat bo'ling.